Controlled Fluidics specializes in plastic bonding and custom plastic assembly products. As a premier certified plastics manufacturer, Controlled Fluidics continually meets the needs of our customers across many specialized industries, including aerospace, defense, life sciences, medical, industry research, and more. Among our clients are NASA, Thermo Fisher Scientific, Hitachi, and Abbott Laboratories. Controlled Fluidics is well known for drilled and bonded manifolds in an array of materials to support the most complicated fluidic challenges, and we work with difficult-to-machine plastics such as Ultem, PEEK, PTFE, acetal, and Delrin. We are ISO 9001-2015 registered and focus on top quality at every stage of your manifold fabrication or plastic machining process. Our facilities in New Hampshire and Connecticut house high-performance 3 to 5 axis CNC machines that provide rapid production precision machining, and our robotic systems allow for automated changing of parts, allowing our systems to run with minimal supervision and even overnight to speed up production. To learn more, visit our website at controlledfluidics.com.